This is a boat that came in that customer stated it had sunk, and you could see water lines inside the boat, so you know there was water inside the boat. Stated that go ahead and replace the bellows because it was probably the bellows that was leaking. So the inner shift cable boot is in great shape. The U-joint is in great shape. The exhaust seems to be in great shape. I don't see any reason why that would be a problem. Inside here, anytime you see a U-joint bellows that's been leaking, it's full of water because there's no way for the water to get out of there when it fills up with water. There's just a little layer of grease in there, and it's not really even, that's probably from greasing the gimbal bearing for 5 years, but that's all normal. Gimbal bearing is smooth with no issues, and usually that's a problem when water's been getting in the U-joint bellows. I just don't see any evidence that there's been any water inside of here. Boot seems to be good and pliable and new. I don't see that there's any reason this transom assembly is leaking.